Okay. Every time it's so hard to get me. Okay, I gently put the moisturizer on my face really lightly. I don't want too much moisturizer on my face. I prefer a matte coverage. I don't know, somehow like the glossy skin on trend, right? For me, every time I try it, it just makes me greasy, dirty, and sweaty. Okay. You know, this is Korean thing. Okay. Next, sunscreen. Gently apply your sunscreen on your face. Just don't rub it, just gently apply it. Then I'll move on. I didn't bring my foundation though. Oh! You okay? My doctor didn't recommend me to have a makeup, but I'm on my second week, so fuck you. I used to water down my brush and squish all the water with the tissue. And gently, just gently apply to your skin. Lightly. We can go again anyway. And concealer. I normally don't do the highlight on my face with this. I really want to conceal my pimple spot or, you know, a thing I matter, like, or scar, anything. Okay. You know, maybe I want to highlight as well. Okay. I don't really blend right away. I just leave like 20 seconds just to stain in my face and to remove all the, you know, redness in my face. I'll tell you something, dearly boy. The world is cruel. You're on your own. Okay, the watered down puff. Just like tip, tip, tip. I only sleep for 4 hours today, so I'm gonna remove all the dark circles there. Okay, I love my skin now. So for the next, I want to do my brow. I'll put some powder all over my eyebrow and my nose. So the basics is over. The next thing I do is take some blush. Like, I use really fade out color for this. Blushing all over my cheekbone, front bone in my face. I normally put under my eyes as well, because it make me young. We wear a lot of blush because we are happy to be alive. Okay, is it too much? Yeah, I think it's too much. I will gently put it over my eyelid and my chin, nose tip, my forehead a bit. Okay, let's draw our brows. I'm gonna brush it down to make it natural. I use this bronze to make my nose sharpen. Just eliminate their nostrils. You don't have to breathe. Remove the fucking nostril. Who needs air when they are beautiful? Ow. Oh shit. Okay. With the bronze again. I have a really round chin, as you can see. Just like the cheekbone. I want my cheekbone. It's not really a Korean style, but I love it there. It's not really Korean style, so if you want Korean style, like just, you know what? I'll just go it this way. Blend it fucking neck. I'll use the most light ones for it now. Most people don't like their eye bag, but I really love my eye bag. It looks like egg salad somehow. And I'll go with the second light color. So for this, you don't really pull all over it, just a middle, like for now we go 70% of it. Now I'll go with the darker brown for here. I don't go this way, okay? I'll just Okay, I look good. The other shadow palette, there's a highlight thingy that I normally use. It's really white and sparkly. Is it working? Is it working? Oh, fuck it. For this, I put a bit around my corner eye. Okay, I look beautiful. Ready color, like this. Touch gently. And the edge. Hey, there's my eyes. I closed the door because my mom walked in. Eyeliner.